In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete or close your Substack publication. If you've decided that managing your Substack isn't the right fit anymore and you're looking to move on, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure you close your publication properly. Now let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is head over to your Substack homepage. Once you're there, look for the dashboard drop down. You can find this option in the top navigation bar. Click on the dashboard drop down to begin the process. This drop down menu is your gateway to selecting the specific Substack publication that you intend to close. After you've clicked on the dashboard drop down, go ahead and select the Substack account you'd like to delete. This step ensures you are managing the correct publication, so double check that you've picked the right one. Once selected, you'll be taken directly to your chosen Substack's main page. Here, you can revisit all the familiar features and content that you've published. Next, locate the settings option. It's typically positioned at the top near the recommendations section. Click on settings. This is where you'll find all the options for managing your publication's details and settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see a section boldly marked as the danger zone. This is intentionally highlighted for critical actions like the one you're undertaking here. Proceed with caution and click on the option labelled Delete Publication. It's essential to understand that this action, once completed, is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you click on that, a dialog box will appear requiring further confirmation. Substack takes this additional step to ensure that users do not accidentally delete their publications. You'll be asked to type in your publication's subdomain. This is a safety measure to verify that it's actually you making this request and not an accidental click or error. So carefully enter your publication's subdomain. This part is crucial because it functions as the last confirmation that you want to proceed with the deletion. Once you've accurately entered your subdomain, click on OK to finalize the process. And there you have it, all the steps needed to permanently delete or close your Substack publication. Remember to make sure that this is the decision you want to pursue, as once deleted, all your subscribers, posts, and data associated with the publication will be lost forever. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future endeavours.